Does Google sound familiar to you? I'm pretty sure it is because right now it's the number one search engine. So that means that there is a lot of people who are using them, but not a lot of people are using it to make money online. So, hello, my name is Castillo. Welcome to my channel. This channel is all about real ways to make money online. So, if this is something that you're interested in, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently. I don't want you guys to miss a video. As I mentioned before, I'm going to show you a full step-by-step tutorial of how you can use Google. Yeah, that powerful browser that a lot of people hear about, and you can start earning money online. Okay. You already know it. You already have internet access. Okay. You have a reliable connection and you're about to watch this entire video. But let me tell you something, guys. If you are ready to know what's my number one recommendations to make money online, I'm going to leave a link below. Please make sure that you're going to click it after watching this video. Now, let me show you everything. Let me go here to my computer so I can show you. First of all, Google, the website that you already know. Everybody is familiar with it. So we need another website which we want to make sure that you're going to be earning. So it's actually this one. This is a website that a lot of companies, as you can see, really reliable companies as Pepsi, Avon, Johnson& Johnson, Delta, Sprint, Dell, Disney, and others are using, and you can be part of this. Okay. You can be part of this and you can start earning money. Okay. Let me show you how much money you're going to be able to earn. As you can see here, we have the possibility for you guys to earn $800, 1600, 1600. So as you can see, this is not just a one-time thing. 1600, 1600, 1600, 1600, 1600, 800, 20,000. 800. Okay. Now I think you get it. Okay. What's the name of this website? It's called MindSumo. Okay. MindSumo is a website in which you're going to be connected with companies. And as you can see, these are reputable companies that are willing to pay big money for your ideas. Okay. If you are a person who solve a problem in a creative way, and these are not like rocket science, like what's going to be the next mineral that is going to revolutionize the world. No, no, no. Okay. So let me show you here. Okay. Let me show you everything here. Okay. So we have the projects here. We have a different or a simple website. As you can see, let me show you what they say about the earnings. Okay. The higher companies rate your submission, the bigger your reward. And this is something that you're going to get paid through PayPal. These are some examples here. Let's say that you did a task on the 16th, you need another test on the 26th. On August the 5th, you decide to cash out and you need one on the 15th. Okay. So if you're interested on being part of this, first of all, you need to create an account. Okay. You're going to go here where it says login, sign up. Okay. Here, login, sign up. And you are going to be creating an account. It's really easy, really simple. Register, okay, and earn money. You're going to put your first name, your last name, your location, a valid email address, a password, your date of birth, gender, your creative skill, okay? How do you rate yourself? Your marketing skills, if you have any, if you have some kind of technical skills, okay? And you're going to be answering these questions. You're going to be good to go. Okay, so as you can see, they have several tasks. You are going to see like how many days do you have them to be left, okay, or they're going to be closed. For example, we have this one closing soon. We're this review, this one's done, and we can load more if we want to load more. Okay, so just for you to have an idea. But we are going to go here where it says all, and I suggest you to go with business. Okay, I suggest you to go with business. For example, we have this one. Help us create a frozen seafood brand collaboration that will excite younger consumers. Okay, you have 16 days to think about this. and you can earn $800. We have this one. How will you improve or reduce secondary packaging during shipping? Okay, 1600. This sounds like a good one for you. But in this example, we're going to be using this. What non-food consumer produced trending will emerge and fade away in 2023? Okay, so this is business related, innovation, idea generation. Okay, and so far you have 28 submissions. Okay, and you have 9 days left. Okay, what most people do is that they will gonna start, thinking about this for days. But I'm gonna show you a hack, a simple way in which you can actually earn. By the way, guys, if you're enjoying this content so far, please give me a thumbs up. That's going to be helping me. It's going to be helping my video. It's going to be helping my channel. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave the notification bell. Also, let me know, guys, where you're from, because I want to be making sure that I'm going to be creating content that is available in your area. Also, let me know if you like PayPal or did you prefer another payment method? I know there are so many questions, but again, remember, I want to make sure that I'm going to be creating content that is going to be helpful for you guys. Okay. So let me go back and finish this tutorial. Okay. Let's jump again to the video. Okay. So there are different things that you're going to have, like here, for example, you're going to have, a review, some notes. Okay. How much you can earn, the submissions, the days that you have to complete this task. Okay, what they need. Okay, here for you to submit your draft and all this stuff. Okay, so what we're gonna be doing, for example, we have here what non-food consumer product trends will emerge and fade away in 2023. We can go to google.com and we can type the question here. Just literally copy and paste it. Okay, and you're gonna have answers like this. Okay, you're going to have answers like this. For example, someone wrote an article back on July 21st. Okay. Someone wrote an article during the year. Okay. Back on July 27. Okay. So you're going to have a lot of possible answers. And also, you can go to a website such as Quora. As you can see, people have been thinking about this for quite some time. There is someone who even asked this question. Okay. So you can actually read about this. There is no right or wrong answer. Okay. There is no right or wrong answer. As you can see here, we have the related questions. So what we can do is we can literally read this. Okay. And get an overall idea and put it in your own words. Okay. You can have this like an overall idea and put it in your own words. Or also, you can actually read it, okay, wrap the information. There is a lot of information here. And here we have, again, the relative questions. Okay. Something really important is that sometimes in this case, it's actually the same. These questions are the same that are here, but sometimes they might not. So what we can do, okay, for example, we have here, what non-food consumer trend will emerge away in boom, there's this person who write this article. So this might be a good one. Okay, what we're going to be doing, well, we're going to copy and paste this. And there is another tool that I want to show you, which is called Spinbot. Okay, and Spinbot is actually a spinner. Okay, you're going to have your text rewritten with this Spinbot. So I can paste it. Okay, I can copy and paste this, and I can have my text here. Okay, and you can just spin it. Okay, you can just spin it. Okay, boom. So here I have spin it. Okay, let me solve this puzzle. Whip, here is it. And then here I have a new content. Okay, here I have a new content, a different article. Okay, here I can have a different article that we have and we can submit. You can go to Google Drive if you prefer it, or you can go to Microsoft Word and you can start putting, the ideas there. Okay, there is no right or wrong question. What we want to have, a lot of information so you can have a better opportunity to earn money, especially because this one people are willing to pay 1,600, yeah, $1,600, just in case that you haven't got it yet. Okay, so it's really easy, really simple way in which you are gonna have the opportunity to earn money online. Okay, there is something really important is that chances are that sometimes they don't have, you know, that many tasks. Okay, they don't have that many tasks. So if you want to have the possibility to earn money on your free time without doing tasks, you want to have passive income. I'm gonna leave a link below with what is my number one recommendations to make money online. Okay, so take the opportunity, check on that link, and I see you on the next video.